Hey there folks, and happy Monday to you. It's Brandon Johnson here with Southern Star Roofing, coming live and direct, actually from my pontoon boat. I brought Dixie girl out here. She's taking a nap. But we're doing a roof this afternoon on beautiful Lake Norman. We're actually on Governor's Island, which is in Denver, North Carolina, on Lake Norman today. So just wanted to stop by, say hello, wish you a awesome and fruitful work week. I also hope that everyone had a beautifully blessed Easter. I know we did at the office. And if we can ever serve you, feel free to reach out. Again, we're local. We're A+ with the Charlotte Better Business Bureau, and you can find us on Google with 5-star Google ratings. Our office line is 704-YES-ROOF, and you can find us online at www.southernstarroofing.com. So again, I'm the owner of the company. My name is Brandon Johnson. We are doing a beautiful roof on beautiful Lake Norman this afternoon on Governor's Island. Feel free to give us a call for a free quote. I hope everyone has an awesomely blessed work week, and we'll see you soon. Thanks for taking the time to watch the video, and have a good night. Bye-bye.